Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS borders. The CSS border properties allow you to specify the style, width, and color of an element's border. Once again, the CSS border properties allow you to specify the style, the width, and the color of an element's border. CSS border is so useful just to have dynamic looks, different styling, and some decorations, some animations. It's so useful. In our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring it more than you ever thought. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.